Ever gawk at cluttered desks thinking there's got to be a better way? Hold on, this is your eureka moment. Meet the Lenovo 24-inch all-in-one desktop, your productivity ally, packed and sleek. Imagine a mighty 23.8-inch full HD screen where spreadsheets blink into clarity and movies become cinematic escapades. Oh, the widescreen possibilities. Featuring a powerhouse Intel 4-core processor designed for multitasking, boosting productivity feels like a breeze. It's all in one, and it's all yours. Let's talk RAM, 32 gigabytes of it. That's serious multitasking muscle. Seamlessly handle endless tabs, video calls, virtual environments, you name it. With a 1 terabyte SSD, no more waiting for sluggish load times. Get your files instantly. You've got efficiency to slay. All this genius runs on Windows 11 Pro. They've bundled enterprise security right inside. So, why compromise when you can optimize? Imagine a desk so clean it looks professionally curated. Pop into video calls with the built-in webcam, no fuss. Meanwhile, those built-in speakers pump tunes or virtual meeting whispers. Connectivity? USB-C, USB-A, HDMI. Oh, and Wi-Fi 6. Stay connected without a hitch. Oh, did you notice vent here? It's like a whisper that warns you when things heat up and never intrudes your groove. This desktop isn't just tech, it's a game changer. Ready to joyride into seamless computing? Dive into the link below and say goodbye to digital chaos.